Here we are, Royal Welsh, ready to go. Everybody's getting prepared for next week. So are we. We've just come back from Cardiff this week, where we had the Food 7 group meeting. This is a group of people in Wales who produce food, distribute food, everything to do with Welsh food. We host an evening with the Assembly members down in Cardiff Bay. Of course, Welsh food and drink is one of the successful stories we have here in Wales. You cannot have Welsh food and drink without us, the producers. So we're very proud to be part of that, and it was a good evening. We had a lot of interaction with Senedd members. We also had the opportunity on Abby's farm to host the Climate Change Committee and its chair. Again, a brilliant opportunity to reach out and show them exactly what we can do to mitigate and to help against any climate change mitigation. Also a good opportunity for him to see the challenges that we have, the weather, the lack of water, the lack of rain, too much rain sometimes. Nevertheless, a good opportunity there to collaborate and make sure the message is heard. We also had the opportunity as well to have a meeting with the British Veterinary Association. We had a very robust and, to be a very honest discussion about things, especially like the AHIC, the Animal Health Improvement Plan. And I think we can find a common ground going forward. Again, a very good opportunity. And we finished off with a brief meeting with the new Agricultural DEFRA Minister, again to make sure that our voices here in Wales is heard in Westminster where it needs to be. Looking forward to seeing you all here next week. As you can see, we're on the final preparations for the stand. Please come along, say hello, meet and greet all your county chairman, all your commodity chairs, and of course Abby and myself should be around all the week. Can I also reach out to the crowd o'r Mart i'r Maes? Da iawn chi, mae'n galed, dwi'n siŵr, da chi'n neud hyn am achos da. All the best to you. We have a group of people walking all the way from Anglesey, and they will land here on the showground on Sunday afternoon. If you see them along the road during this week, during next week, give them all the encouragement you can. Edrych ymlaen at gweld chi gyd yma yn y sioe wrthnos nesaf. Welwn chi adeg yno.